Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8 in gold. I always do these for every Apple Watch that comes out every year. I've been doing it, this is the third one. So if you want to see the older ones, I'll have them linked up top on the right hand corner. I fund everything on this channel myself, so if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe, watch more videos and like them. Right, now let's get this started. That's the Apple Watch here. So I wanted to check out the Midnight, which is like a really dark blue, almost black, with this Apple Watch. So this is the gold. As you can see, the corners are gold. Alright, let's look at the unboxing. What do you get inside? So you get basically the exact same thing as any other Apple Watch, just a wireless charger. Okay, so that's the big reveal. Let me know in the comments below if this actually looks like gold or just really light yellow. Let's open the loop. And what I'll do, stick around to the end. What I'll do is I'll compare that against a normal Series 8 and also put on the Milanese loop in gold as well. So that's the blue you get with it. So that's the normal one, and both of these have cellular, which is denoted by the little red ring. So the difference between these two, the normal and that one, is the bezels are made of stainless steel, whereas this is aluminium. Okay, other than that, they are the exactly same thing. As you can see, there's hardly anything telling them apart. Okay, and that's the Apple Watch Series 8 in gold with the gold Milanese loop. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. Would you guys go for the gold? Since it's tech and it's going to get useless next year and they're going to come out with the next big thing. Also let me know what you guys would like me to pair this up against, or any sort of comparisons and all that stuff. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Take good care. Bye bye.